Hello, and this is Castle Emporium in Minecraft. At the start of September, they're given 30 days notice of eviction, and this is just a call out to help raise awareness for it. They've got wonderful businesses from Shelf Life. You've got the barber shop. You've got a Head Above the Waves here, and they're looking for if somebody knows somewhere where they can go, whether it's individual businesses or the whole Castle Emporium. They've also got a re-housing fund, which will be going up soon for all the businesses to go, because we need to support local, support little independent businesses and beautiful little places like this with a gallery, everything that just makes it, you know, it's important to support local. And you've got a skate shop here, and yeah, support shop local and support indies.